thief. Who laughs when a thief breaks into a house?
No, I'm not a thief.
Yeah, man, the guy turned out not to be a thief.
Okay, if you're not a thief, what are you doing in our house?
Seriously, I'm not a thief.
Oh, so your name is Rami then?
She is your friend. So annoying.
Well, give us proof that you're not a thief.
Right, you have to give us proof.
Give us proof.
Go ahead, put your phones here. If I were a thief, I would have taken it and ran away, right?
Yeah, but that's not proof. I swear. I believe him. Shut up.
Guys, I swear to God, if no one tells me to take something, I don't take it.
Yeah, maybe you're lying under oath. I swear I believe him. Shut up again.
Okay, I'll give you stronger proof. Who has money?
I don't have any. Neither do I. Oh, I have some.
I trust him, you know.
Aha.
Haha!
Guys, I can go now, right?